100 subscribers, Happy! Can you even believe it? Let's pop the champagne! Celebrate! Friends, we love you so much. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more adventures of Canadian critters. Reese, the rain stopped. Let's go for a walk. A walk? A walk! Here we go, out on patrol. All wet on the feet. Walk, 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 walk. Great idea, Jessie. Reese, kick the ball, kick the ball, kick the ball.
Reese, this seems unsafe.
Don't worry, Ranger. I can do it. No!
Wah, 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 wah.
Reese, 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 are you okay? Where does it hurt? Oh, I think I'm okay. Oh, not okay. It's my ankle. We're trapped out here in the wild.
Don't worry, I'll get help.
We'll keep you nice and warm, Reese. You just snuggle in. Let's elevate your foot. This should help. You just rest on us. This is all your fault. Skipping around on your nimble little hooves. You made Reese think that this cliff was safe, and it wasn't. Oh, it's nobody's fault, Daisy. It is just an accident. It's my fault because I thought I could do it. I'm sorry. I'm just scared and shouting because I don't know what to do.
Oh, look, here comes Ranger now with honey.
Ranger, I knew that you would know what to do. Don't worry, Reese. I'll carry you safely home. Careful now, honey. Slow and steady. Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.